Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. How are you everyone? Honorable to the examiner, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Moksit with a student identity number 225040730163. I am a participant in a specific in-service teacher professional program of English education. Additional Personnel Education Institute of the Islamic University of Malang. Today, I will present my English teaching practice at Mas Ar-Rahmah Sumeneb Regency for senior high school level. This is my UKIN video of the third grade student focusing at descriptive text, the topic, the story of a friendly future. This is my identity. Thank you for watching and assessing my performance. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Before we study, let's start together and begin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wahdini bil khair. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Finish. Writing. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you? How are you all? Loudly, how are you all? How are you? Yes, I am. Okay, today, before we start our lesson, I'm going to call you, one by one. I will call you the patient. Akan absen kalian, siapa yang hadir, Iswan Imam, present or absent day. You can give raise hand. Raise hand if I call the present. You understand? Yes. Speak loudly. Speak. Jangan dengar, jangan salah takut. Az-Zamilul Muttaqin. Aizal Habibi, Abdurrahman Wahid, Badrul Tamam, Firdaus, Azizil Asmi, Khairul Anwar, Aldi Priyanto. Speak loudly. Yang keras. Present, sir. I can't hear your voice. Wildan, Mohsin Al-Fikri, diisi. Si, PA, Acehnya, si. Muhammad Kamiluddin, Ahmad Fauzan, absen. Diisi. Si. Ferdi Andriansa, Liliana, Wildatun Kamilia, Fadilatul Zahra, Era Zahroddin Nabila, Anissa, Evi Sofiatin, Hikmatul Maulida, Ayub Dian Lestari, si speak nasi, Rukaya, Sofiatus Solihah, Siti Komaria. Thank you. But before we start our lesson, sebelum kita mulai I will ask you to guys stand up. All of the students stand up. Follow after me. See this fact. This you can do what I have all the three. Ya. Jadi perhatikan gerakan bolpen ini dulu. Ikuti arahnya kemana. Setelah itu ada perintah dari saya, kemudian kerjakan. Paham? Do you understand? Thank you. One, two, three. 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 Please take the garbage under your chair. Ambillah sampah yang ada di bawah kursinya. Nanti setelah ini materi akan dimulai. Sampah-sampah tolong diambil dulu, dibersihkan. Perhatikan ya, listen, take the garbage under your chair. Okay, please open the door and go to the garbage. Taruh di tempat sampah. In line is very important. Okay, dah, finish. Sit down. On the chair, please. Okay, sit down. Pay attention ya, all of you here. I will explain you the material today. We have known that the meeting before I have explained about, we have studied about the listening, reading, and speaking. And now I'm going to guide you or to teach you about the narrative text, the topic, the story of friendly teacher. Sudah? Sehingga you all here, jadi kamu sekalian semua di sini only see this media and watch this video to make understanding, untuk membuat pengertian tentang about the narrative text. What is the narrative text, the basic structure and language. And there is the speaker will explain you for about 10 minutes. Jadi materi ini akan dijelaskan selama 10 menit di video ini. After this, setelah itu, I will describing you about this video of narrative text. And beside that, dan setelah itu, I'm going to give you a duty to discuss from the text have been given by me. Jadi saya akan jelaskan, nanti kalian sudah saya berikan teks tentang naratif teks, nanti tinggal dipresentasikan based on the member of the berdasarkan anggota dan kelompoknya masing-masing. Oke, pay attention, no crowded. Silakan perhatikan, gak usah bikin rame. See and hear this video, and after this I will explain. Do you understand? Okay, thank you.
Dari naratif teks serta contoh-contoh dari naratif teks. Well, let's jump to the explanation. What is narrative text? Apa sih narrative text itu? Narrative text is a piece of text which tells a story to entertain the reader. It is a story with complication or problematic events and tries to find solutions to solve the problems.
Oke, perhatikan ya. What is the narrative text? Here, the definition of narrative text is piece of the tell story entertain the reader. In this story, we will comprise the problem given and tries to find a solution to solve the problem. Jadi berdasarkan penjelasan ini, apa itu naratif teks? Naratif teks itu adalah menceritakan sebuah cerita atau menceritakan sesuatu yang tujuannya adalah untuk menghibur pembaca, to entertain. Jadi untuk menghibur pembaca, sehingga pembaca itu setelah membaca naratif teks itu merasa terhibur dan mereka bisa memahami konten daripada teks itu tersendiri dengan hiburan yang ada di tulisan itu. Kemudian dalam naratif teks itu kompleks. In narrative text is kompleks. Ada kejadian, event, ada kejadian atau masalah ini problem or the event, and then there is resolution. Ada solusi. Setelah ada solusi, after there is the solution here, we are going to solve. Bagaimana kita untuk mengatasi masalah itu? Itu di sini adalah isi dari naratif teks. Cerita yang bisa menghibur, kemudian di situ ada masalah, kemudian ada solusi. Bagaimana ada solusi? Cara pengatasannya, kemudian bagaimana mengatasinya. Okay, next. You can see and watch this video.
Jadi, naratif teks adalah teks cerita yang tujuannya untuk menghibur pembaca. Pada teks ini diceritakan tahapan terjadinya suatu masalah hingga penyelesaian Jadi naratif teks ini adalah sebuah teks yang berisi cerita tentang kejadian yang telah lampau atau sudah terjadi, dan tujuannya itu untuk menghibur pembaca. Nah, yang ingin saya tekankan di sini, naratif teks ini umumnya memang berupa imaginative story, tapi tidak harus selalu imaginatif ya, karena kejadian yang benar-benar terjadi pun itu bisa menjadi sebuah narrative text. Contohnya personal experience and science fiction.
This is one of the media. Now we are going to tell you about the social function of narrative text. Jadi fungsi sosial dalam narrative text. This media. Jadi to entertain, immerse reader story and menghibur pembaca. Jadi menghibur pembaca. Do you understand?
Yes.
Speak loudly. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Wait a moment. Dalam narrative text, in narrative text, there are generic structure of narrative text. Ada beberapa generic structure dalam narrative text itu. The first, yang pertama, orientation. Orientation here, it is about the opening of paragraph where the character of the story introduced. Jadi berisi tentang tokoh-tokoh atau tempat waktu kejadian cerita siapa, atau kapan dan di mana kejadian. The second, complication. Complication here, where the problem in the story develop. Jadi permasalahannya itu mulai terjadi dan berkembang. After complication, we are going to see the resolution. Jadi ada beberapa permasalahan di sini, permasalahannya muncul, kemudian mulai terjadi dan berkembangnya permasalahan itu bagaimana? Akan diperhatikan. Permasalahan bisa natural, sosial, konflik, psikologi. Jadi ada banyak macam permasalahan itu, ada konflik sosial dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian the resolution. Resolution here, where the problem in the story is solved. Masalah selesai secara baik, happy ending ataupun buruk atau bad ending. Jadi di mana masalah itu bisa diatasi? Bagaimana kita mengatasi masalah itu? Masalah selesai baik-baik atau tidak, atau berending dengan tidak baik, bad ending, or happy ending. Jadi kita tinggal melihat di teks itu nanti sesuai dengan tugas yang sudah saya berikan. Apakah masalah itu berakhir dengan baik atau berakhir dengan buruk. Kemudian the fourth lesson from the story. Jadi menceritakan kondisi terakhir dari tokoh dalam cerita, pesan moralnya apa. Jadi orientasi itu adalah isi pesan moral yang ada di teks itu, orientasi itu. Lesson from the story menceritakan kondisi tokoh atau cerita itu, pesannya apa saja. Silakan simak, karena setelah ini nanti I will give you the duty to make discuss and listen in front of the class. So this is the diagram: orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. Jadi urutannya naik turun. Perhatikan. Jadi this is one of the thematic structure of narrative text. Do you get it? Do you understand? Okay. Now I will explain you. You can see this gender of narrative text. This here.
Kejadian mulai dari pengenalan tokoh, awal mula terjadinya masalah, hingga penyelesaiannya. Sekarang, mari kita simak penjelasan dari masing-masing gender teks ini. Yang pertama adalah personal experience. Nah, teks ini adalah cerita berupa pengalaman pribadi dengan tujuan untuk menghibur pembaca, yang di dalamnya diceritakan awal mula terjadinya sebuah masalah hingga ke penyelesaiannya. Mungkin kalian akan bertanya, nah loh, bukannya kalau bercerita tentang pengalaman pribadi itu adalah di konteks? Jadi tidak selalu ya. Jika teks atau cerita kalian mengikuti generic structure dari sebuah narrative text, di mana di dalamnya terdapat orientation, complication,
Pay attention. Jadi here, if we are talking about our experience, here our problem experience, the problem in our neighbor. Sometimes kadang-kadang orang kan menyampaikan itu recontent. No, jadi tidak semuanya yang menceritakan tentang pengalaman pribadi, tidak experience, itu dalam recontent, but it including narrative text. Jadi di sini adalah tidak semua cerita yang berkaitan dengan pengalaman pribadi itu adalah recontent, tetapi juga masuk narrative text, masuk include narrative text. Ini one of the story. Okay. Okay. From here first, and I will open you. This is for the PowerPoint, yeah. PowerPoint narrative text here. I will explain you. Nah, di sini adalah kalian akan memahami tentang narrative text. The topic here, the story of a friendly musician. Jadi ini adalah topik kita. Apa yang kalian ketahui? What does you know? Did you know about this picture? And then after you hear, setelah kamu mendengar the video just now, the video, you can understand it, and this is will become the duty, akan dijadikan tugas di rumah, in homework, ya. And then you can answer on the question here and understanding the narrative text. And here I'm going to give you duty in this time to make discussion in this slide, and then you can present in front of the class with your friend, and I will make you the member first. And how many people in this member? This Oke, perhatikan. Setelah ini kita akan berdiskusi kelompok. We are going to discuss ya, that's one our member. Oke, perhatikan. Silakan, saya dari media penitipan, silakan buat kelompok ya. Kelompoknya berapa orang? Jadi yang laki-laki, ya baik ya, member. Please make discussion. Discussion the member. Often the tag has been given. Jadi gimana tagnya saya berikan ini ya? Silakan coba remuk dengan kelompoknya, nanti setelah ini kita selesai. Silakan yang ini kelompok 3 dan 4. Silakan dilihat tagnya dulu yang sudah saya berikan. Nanti presentasi. Okay, you can discuss with your friends. Ini kelompoknya per orang. Sudah paham. Okay, have you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I will ask you one of your friend to present in front of the class. To present your material in front of the class, and what is it? You can explain your text in front of your friend, and I will give opportunities to your other member to ask their friend. Jadi silakan presentasikan teks yang sudah saya berikan itu. Kemudian saya berikan penanya dari kelompok lain satu pertanyaan. And the presenter must answer. This one up. I will give you this duty. This one of the evaluation form. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I will ask the first group to present one person in front of the class. Perwakilan ya. Oke, semuanya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The bridge of dimension from Bulungan. One night in the village of Bulungan in Sinta, bridge of Kalimantan. The next was cornered and death. The rest no leads and all. The country guilty of Bulungan territory. The day captured and the next was very long. A full call to anything other than the COVID, including a man-made scenario. Now often the common what the call to show that the copy of his bill called the scene of love. One makes couple the other to do more activities ethnic without any limitation. In accident of the victory, in term was impossible to wait before because the location of the field was very far from the road. The Philippine installation filter. The purchase it did not make nearly expired. While other people only check the signature Leo began to gather his friends to do something for the sake of the deformity and for lifting up the dimension table. There was a faintly heard conversation among a group of men and women. They gathered before the cabin, will washing and drinking water. The image is impossible now. Said how can we build a people to provide for what my is got
Yang keras pertanyaannya, speaker nih.
Why did the shepherd boy cry when the curtain?
Arrogance and shame to overcome. Perseverance and creativity come back the way the success. Carrying for the economy, sustain the success and improve quality of life.
Oke, thank you. Give applause. The next, the second group. Yeah. The next, the second group. Please come forward.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Lion and the poor slave. His master tried also slave to read one day of the third in his pouch. Also, that the slave master his coat and took out something later. His master along with some animals in the first of the slave. The master then ordered the slave to be turned into the lion's den. When the slave saw the lion, he recognized it as the lion killed in the first. The slave was able to escape hidden unhurt, and he freed all the other animals.
Okay. Next.
What did the master do to his slave? Treat curly.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Boy walking walk. Come racket dikun kutek.
What is the benefit can inform story?
Get over the chef. He got bread and received to have some food. So he shouted walk walk.
I will give you one of the duty here. This is, perhatikan ya, di sini ada tugas dari duty dan review attendance di non review ya yang harus dikerjakan. Tugas Nah, ini adalah asesmennya. Jadi ada tugas nanti kerjakan di rumah. Ya. Minggu depan bisa dikumpulkan ke kami akan dilakukan penilaian terhadap kalian. Jadi di sini sudah dijelaskan tentang apa sih narrative text, kemudian tugas-tugas itu, what is the character of narrative text, kemudian di situ juga saya jelaskan lebih ya. Jadi kalian kita kerjakan what is the essential concept of the text, identify orientation, complication, and resolution based on the story, and then find the 5 past tense verb of the text have been given. Jadi cari bentuk past tense-nya dari kata kerja, ya, dari verb yang ada di teks itu, karena naratif teks itu kaitannya adalah menceritakan sebuah kejadian yang terjadi di belakang. Enggak, this duty will be done by you in your first, and you can submit in Google Form. Kalian bisa kirim lewat Google Form in my application, in my email, and I will give you the score. Jadi nanti kalian tinggal submit ke Google Form saya, akan saya berikan penilaian terkait the result of presentation, hasil dari presentasi, and then you can answer on the question here. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, thank you very much for the time. This is the last material, and you can continue the next time in the next material, and I will explain you another material. Okay, I will take you where is the text. Jadi di sini ada apa namanya? Ada istilah umpan balik ya. Dari teks yang kita ambil dari pembahasan dari tadi terkait dengan public communication from Guru Mali. Kalian ada apa namanya sedikit yang perlu dijelaskan tadi terkait dengan generic structure-nya, sebagian yang belum dijelaskan. So you can review in the morning ya, terus yang pelajari, baca berulang di rumah, read and what is it, make your understanding about the text will be complete. Jadi kesimpulannya adalah the conclusion from this materi ya, this materi narrative text, you can understand about the delivery structure, what is the benefit of the content of the narrative text, and you understand the out of text in narrative text, and give what is the benefit and the function of the text. Last, thank you very much, and we can continue the next. Jadi tugas nanti bisa di store lewat Google Form ya, bisa dikirim ke saya di Google Form, di aplikasi Google Form yang sudah saya buat dan sudah saya share. Terima kasih, thank you very much. Before we close our meeting, let's to pray together. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma arina haqqa haqqa warzuqna ittiba'ahu wa arina batila batila warzuqna ijtinaba. Billahi rabbil alamin. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa rasulullah. Billahi rabbil alamin. Rabbayani saghira. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selesai.